Welcome to our new video. In this video, we will going to cover interesting GK about animals. So let's start the video. The largest living animal is the blue whale. The largest bird alive is the ostrich. The fastest land animal is the cheetah. A camel can remain without water for 30 days. The bird which lays more than 100 eggs in one nest is the ostrich. The mammal that lives at the greatest altitude is the yak. The largest land animal is the African bush elephant. The world's heaviest flying bird is the great bustard. The tallest living animal is the giraffe. The fastest moving land snake in the world is the black mamba. The fastest moving insects in the world is the tropical cockroach. The largest kangaroo in the world is the red kangaroo. The average weight of a blue whale is 120,000 kg. The number of bones in the giraffe neck is 7. How many arms does an octopus have? 8. The first animal to go into space was dog. The organ which is missing in the camel is the gallbladder. The average pregnancy period of a female dog is 63 days. The continent which is known as the land of kangaroo is Australia. The country in which yak is found is Tibet. The male of a cow is called a bull. Thanks for watching. Subscribe School of MCQ for latest informative MCQ.